Boston ripping rollers. Let the birds out today. The falcons were here. I don't know how many they got, but I'll count them once everybody's in. There's a couple hiding in the tree. Some of my pigeons. They even were hiding in the tree. Figure I haven't made a video in a while, so let's go check out the birds. There's some of the young ones here. Lavender, a light cream, and I don't know, some kind of lace bird. And then the yellow over there. There's 3 youngsters in here, and they got a youngster in the nest. The yellows, they're sitting on 2 eggs. They're the ones who threw that one and that one. That's the father. That's the mother, that black and white. Some weird colors they're throwing. Oh, how come this won't walk? There it is. Here's a bunch of young ones here. I gotta break these in soon. I'm thinking about making a pen so they can go out and see around instead of me breaking them from the door. I lose a lot when I do that. Break them in from the door. You know. Here's another weird colored one. Here, like a lace bird. I don't know. These 2 blacks are from the almonds. They didn't give me an almond this time. They gave me 2 blacks. Kites. Here's my kit birds that were getting chased by the hawks today. I don't see anybody injured, but I know they hit one or 2 of the birds. I think they got a couple. It was a pair of falcons and a baby falcon. You should have heard them screeching. Wow, they were loud. They were pretty loud. There's some more of my donkeys. Right here. There's a baby in the nest right there. They all got babies over here. Two babies in there. 2 babies here, lavenders. 2 yellows. A red white flight and a taut shield. 1 winged white. A couple more yellows over there. I have a white bar there. These are the parents. There's the other one there. There. I don't know how the whites get 3 eggs, but they do. Oh, this tiger family got 2 youngsters here. Getting big, I gotta band them. But that's what's going on here. All right, Boston Ripping Rollers signing out. Everybody have a good day. Talk to you later.